Hello everyone. Let's see how to make crispy yummy hash browns easily at home. You will need few simple ingredients like potatoes, cheese, maida, cornstarch, chili flakes or chili powder, and garlic. Peel 6 medium-sized potatoes and keep in cold water. Grate these potatoes. Transfer into ice cold water and keep aside for 25 minutes to get rid of the excess starch. Boil sufficient water and add the soaked grated potatoes. Boil for 3 minutes on high heat. Strain all the water. Pour cold water to stop cooking. Squeeze all the excess water as shown. Make sure it's cooled completely before squeezing. Transfer into a bowl and separate all the bits of potatoes with the help of a spoon. Now add the all-purpose flour, cornstarch, garlic, cheese and seasonings as mentioned on the screen. Mix everything well. Combine nicely with the help of hands. Take required amount of potato mixture and shape the hash browns. Enjoyed the recipe so far? Quickly hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel. Freeze these for 20 to 25 minutes. Heat sufficient oil and drop the hash browns carefully. Do not try to flip or move the hash browns immediately or it will break. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Fry until golden and crisp. Remove on an absorbent paper to take off the excess oil. These are perfectly cooked, crispy on the outside and soft in the inside and taste delicious. Do try it and share your feedback in the comments section. I would love to know.